Electric vehicle fires often begin with what you can't see. Undetected foreign particles, tiny, but dangerous. Now, with TNS's proprietary hyperspectral vision system, invisible risks become visible. It features a vacuum suction ceramic stage for stable sample handling, blackout housing that blocks ambient light interference, and a 5-axis automated motion unit for accurate multi-angle scanning. Inspection happens in 2 stages. Stage 1, RGB vision. A high-speed RGB camera scans the entire surface to detect visible defects, scratches, dents, and irregularities. But surface flaws aren't the full story. So, in Stage 2, a hyperspectral camera analyzes the spectral signature of every point, classifying metals like copper, iron, stainless steel, brass, and bronze, as well as non-metals like plastic, dust, and microscopic debris. What RGB can't detect, hyperspectral makes clear, and every result is digitized, visualized, and ready for immediate review. From semiconductors to pharmaceuticals, electronics to EV batteries, TNS enables next-level quality control, where even the smallest particle gets found. Optimize your inspection with TNS hyperspectral technology.